Hi, and thank you for joining me for this product education and training session from Paragon Films. My name is Shawn Mitchell, and I am the sales consultant for Paragon Films in the Ohio and greater Pittsburgh area. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about a hand film product from Paragon Films that has been around for about 15 years, and that is Torque hand film. So Torque is a unique hand film product from Paragon. This is manufactured using a patented manufacturing process, and it gives us the ability to deliver a stronger, more consistent hand film product than what we typically see out there in the marketplace. So with the Torque product line, we're able to offer a very lightweight roll that is going to give less fatigue to operators as they're using it throughout the course of the day. It's going to give us the ability to show a lower cost per pallet while still providing the high containment force that we need to ship loads from point A to point B safely, or just move them around internally within an operation without having any loads fail on us. So we've also got a very easy unwind on the Torque product line, and that's important, pointing back to the fatigue that we're placing on operators as they're using this product throughout the day. We know that when we're starting a shift at 7 a.m. and we've got to work until well late into the afternoon, if we've got a roll of film that is hard to unwind, it's going to put a lot of unneeded stress and fatigue on our workers. So an easy unwind is really key for us because it also gives us the opportunity to have very consistent wrap throughout the course of the day. We've also got folded edges on this product line, much like traditional true pre-stretch films. So this gives us that added damage resistance when these rolls are knocked off the back of a forklift or they fall off the top of a load. They're not going to be easily damaged, so we're going to be able to keep on using that film, which is important so we don't have any waste. Now, Torque is offered in a full product line from 6 to 13 microns. So that 6 micron is going to be about 24 gauge. That 13 micron is going to be about 51 gauge. So this wide range gives us an opportunity to utilize Torque in all sorts of operations. And Torque, again, has been around for a number of years, and we've got success with this product line in all types of manufacturing and distribution. There's really a good fit no matter what you're currently using. So we know that with the manufacturing process on Torque, being that we're able to get such a consistent product that we're producing, we can have a very easy and consistent application when it comes to some of the competitive films out there. Now, if you're familiar with, say, conventional hand film and you know how much stretch potential is left in that film, Torque is designed to lock out very quickly and give us high containment very quickly, but it still has all the added benefits of being a high-performing film in the sense that we've got really high puncture resistance and really high tear resistance, so we can lock out that film at a lighter weight and get that compression on that load and get the containment we're looking for with that product that's going to be much easier to use. One of the other things with Torque that was very important for Paragon from a manufacturing standpoint was making sure that we were able to control the rooted footage on these rolls very, very closely. We know that with traditional pre-stretch films, often the footage will shrink up once that film has been pre-stretched, so you're actually not receiving, say, a 1,500 or 2,000 foot roll. It might be slightly less. So in the Torque product line, when we say it's a 1,500 or 2,000 foot roll, we work very, very hard to ensure that that's actually what's being delivered. Another benefit of the way that we're winding Torque is that we made sure this product is usable all the way down to the core. So we're not wasting film with every roll as we see with some of the competitive products out in the market. You get to a certain point toward the end of the roll, and the way that it's wound, it just doesn't allow for it to be used anymore. Torque can be used all the way down to that core, so we're not wasting film. Now we're going to take a look at a case study that was performed out in the field, and this is a really good example of Torque going up against a conventional film. So we all have customers out there, or we've run across different operations that are using very heavy conventional films. And torque gives us an opportunity to show a huge reduction in the film thickness needed compared to those conventional films. So in this example, we've got a 13 micron torque, which is about 51 gauge. We took that up against a 30 micron, which is 120 gauge conventional film. And if you look over here at our results, we are able to show this customer a drastic reduction in their film usage. We're able to meet or beat their current containment standards in terms of how much force are we putting on that load to make it safe for shipment. By doing that, we are able to bring their cost per pallet wrap down and save them about 25% on their annual stretch film purchases annually. We're able to show them that they can buy almost 120 fewer rolls of film each year and save over 1,000 pounds of plastic waste. So from a sustainability standpoint, torque was a great move for this company. And also from a purchasing standpoint, torque was an excellent move for this company because we never want to sacrifice the amount of containment we're putting on a load, but we know that when we have a stiffer product like torque, that we can get high containment while using less film, we're able to show that reduction in usage and then show those cost savings as a result of that reduction. So at Paragon, what we are really interested in providing is transit protection film. It's our key goal to get your load from point A to point B safely and do it at the lowest cost per pallet wrapped while providing the highest level of containment. So this is something we have a long history of doing with the torque product line. We know that we're providing a film that's optimized in consistency in terms of gauge and width and footage. We know that the ease of application is going to make the life of your operators easier on the floor. They're going to be able to achieve that nice tight wrap without using as much energy throughout the day. So it's going to save them on stress and strain. And with this patented manufacturing process, this is a very, very consistent film that we're delivering in a wide variety of gauges and widths. So here is a peek at the product offering, and there are several more items not listed here, but I'd encourage you to reach out to your local rep and see what we can do for you in terms of the torque hand film line. This is a great alternative to some of the competitive films that may be being used out there in the marketplace today. We look forward to an opportunity to show you increased containment, reduce cost, and also show you an improvement on your sustainability metrics. Again, my name is Shawn Mitchell with Paragon Films. Thanks for taking a few minutes to learn about torque today. I hope you join me for another session where we cover another product line from Paragon Films.